Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to apply for Texas State ID. So let's get started. First, you have to prepare your documents. The documents you will require are proof of your citizenship or lawful presence, then proof of your Texas residency and your social security number, a valid identity document. If you have all of these documents, download the DL, put in a form from the official website, fill it out and print. Keep note that do not sign it yet. Then book an appointment as walk-ins are not allowed for first-time ID applicants. Then visit your nearest Texas driver license office, and when you visit the office, keep your documents with yourself. Here you have to sign in the application when they ask, provide your thumbprints, have your photo taken and pay the fee. That is $16 for most applicants, $6 if you are 60 or older. You will get a temporary ID right away and your Texas State ID will arrive by mail in 4 to 6 weeks. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.